live. Should be live here. Should be live here. Should be live. Start live. Alright guys, in next 2 minutes we'll have the data. Alright, let's go. Everything is going well. Started. Just want to make sure everything is fine. Guys, let me know if you can hear me well. Everything is perfect. Just want to make sure everything is fine. Alright, data is in 2 minutes. A lot of volume volatility is happening. I'm a little bit late. I wanted to come 3 minutes before, but I'm late. Let's refresh the data. Still a minute to go. Alright, let me just share the link quickly. You do. Alright. I haven't shared on Twitter yet. Let's go. Give me the data. Let's see how the market moves. A lot of volume picking up last 2 hours. Bulls or bears are very close to each other. Hey. Alright, data is in. It's time. Show me the data. I'm not sure if you can guys hear me well. Everything is fine. Okay, let's go. The data. Oh shit. You know, in the morning I was expecting market that it can take this low. I think the data is bad. The data is bad. I didn't even check the data yet. So, oh yeah, slightly green. Previous one was 6, but end of the day the inflation did decrease. Not as they forecasted, but it's below the last previous one. So it's not so bad. It is slightly bad. And this one month over month is bad, 0.5%. Forecast is actually 0.05. That's a decent number. All right, I think we could have the dip and then we could have a move. It's just a matter of time. We need to wait, give it time. All right, market does not tell you straight away. It needs some time. It needs to see what is going on. Let me see how much. Oh my god, shorts are opening crazy. 5,000 PTC shorted, 5.5 thousand, only 2.6. This current hour candle is crazy right now. Because the thing is, I'm just testing this and trying to learn how this system works. Order flow. Before, I'm on a free version. I haven't purchased the upgraded yet, but I want to buy. There's few of them, so I want to see which one I want to buy. But the most volume we had in a while is happening just now. We had that right here at the lows, and right now we're having a lot of volume coming in. A lot of people shorting. If the market squeezes them, that would be juicy. And market, I think, going to squeeze the bears. The bears could get punished. You know, there's one reason why I'm a little bit more bullish than bearish, because we took last week low as well. Okay, last week low right here is a very, very good sign. You guys don't understand. This last week low right here is a very good sign for bulls. That market took liquidity. Yesterday candle close was amazing as well. Look at this recovery. Look at this recovery. All right, bears are getting destroyed. All right, so much more bears start shorting. Now bulls are opening more than bears, so bears are gonna get liquidated. It's a matter of time. The data is not so bad. Okay, it's as forecasted, and one side is is still better than last month. So it is all right, not too bad. In Discord, Crypto Mechanic said this is bad, but market is thinking something differently. We will see what happens. Market could be volatile, up and down, trying to liquidate both sides. We will see. Let market decide what it wants, because I think this is the low where the market broke and never retested. There's a lot of unfilled order, so market might wants to do this as well. Okay, if it's not stable, it could just drop from here as well, because there's liquidity sitting above these highs, these are the conditions where the market takes the liquidity. That the same thing happened here, right here. Market took the liquidity from up here, 24,000, and boom, it kept on crashing after that. So something like that. Even if it wants to go down. I'm just reading more details. So that's forecast is, that's actual. Year over year, if you see in January, it did increase 0.2. Previous one was 6.5. Data came out as expected. Most likely priced in. Give the market at least 2 to 3 hour give. Yeah, this is what I was saying. There will be next move. Do not take short or anything thinking data is bad, and now the market will dump within minutes. Yeah. The data is fine, in my opinion. It's not so bad, and most of it was priced in. If you think about it, most of it was priced in, and a lot of shorts and longs are opening. You can see ratio here as well. So this area of 21,600, a lot more shorts open. So when the markets start, when the bulls see the market is, the bears that shorted here, they want to close their position. Either they will get liquidated up here. So this is the supply zone here. If this gets broken, we'll see a lot more bulls coming in, and they will set their stop losses most probably down here. Alright, simple as that. Inflation isn't a good sign at all. We'll see months upside. Yeah, inflation increase, of course, is not a good sign, but I think it's not such a bad data. It is slightly bad, not so bad. But yeah, we'll see. Just give it some time, and we'll go into some alts coin and see if there's still potential entries, and where I would think there will be next targets to exit and stuff like that. So let's see what happens. Let me just share this link of live so everyone can join in. It will take time. So I'm just checking if I'm live properly, well, everywhere is fine. Alright, let's see if the coins start moving as well, because look, when the coin are traded mostly with immature money, most of them, when it comes to Bitcoin, big money trades that mostly, so it's a lot different. People got panic a lot. Look at this wick right here, and that's very good. Means a lot of people got liquidated that were high leverage, and we had the pullback, and now we can see more upside than the downside. Let's go on 4 hour. I mean, nothing changed in 4 hour time frame. Nothing changed. There was nothing. CPI data did nothing, and I think give it few hours, we could rise. I need to see what S&P 500 is doing, because it really depends. That look at this. Oh my god, look at the wick. It took this lows. Didn't take that low. I wish it would have taken that low, but yeah, it's cool. It took the highs up here, took a liquidity above this, so it gets very tricky right now because it took liquidity both sides. Give time to the market, but data is not so bad. I mean, if you really want to buy art or something, you wanna, I mean, it's not such a bad time. Okay, I'm not giving financial, but I'm just saying, if there's any arts that you were waiting to buy, it's not such a bad time. It really depends where market is heading. You can add a little bit on that. Let's see what DXY is up to. DXY is start dipping as well, because the data is, that's crazy. DXY is dipping. So asset market should rise in this situation. But again, people are confused. The reason they are confused is they're thinking FMC is gonna be like, they're gonna raise rates even more. So this is what the mindset people have right now with when it comes to getting into the markets. So I would say give it a little bit more time if you can wait, if you want to wait. Give it some time and we will see where the market is heading next, because I need to see this high broken. All right, if this high gets broken, then you know bulls are dominating it, they are holding it. This is a supply zone on 1 hour, and I'm waiting for this to be broken like this, and then I'll be a little bit confident. Okay, that's fine, I can see the bulls wants to come in. Let me see, DYDX. A lot of coins still haven't moved, they haven't done much, they're still waiting on something. Look at this, oh my gosh, it took all the lows, and that's a very good thing when people liquidate, get liquidated and the market bounces back very quickly. Look at the volume that came in DYDX, it's a lot of volume, most we have seen before, so it's very good to see this kind of volume spike. But yeah, give it time and we'll see. I'll be here with you guys, because the thing is that Paul is not speaking, there's no meeting, so it is what it is right now. Equal long the shorts opening, let's see who's gonna be the winner. That really depends. 8k, 8k, 12k, 12k, 4k, 7k, more shorts are down here, 21.6. If you break 21.6, that it shouldn't do that. That's all I'm saying, because bulls need to liquidate those guys, unless they want to close their positions. Alright, market is taking these lows again. Let me see, it looks pretty good, you know. As long as we hold these lows, I think it's decent. It's decent. As long as we don't break 21,300. If we break that, then I think there's a chance we can see move in breaking of 20,300 low, this low. So market could come here, but I doubt it. If the market breaks this high of yesterday high, 21,900, then it's most probably it's gone up. Okay, unless we break yesterday this low, then we can see a further move down, and I do not think it will. I'll say there's a 70-30 chances. So there's 70% chances for it to go up into this, retest this zone, which I've already mentioned that there's a fair value gap, and there's a 30% chance to do this. So this is what I'm thinking right now. I don't know, the problem is people don't understand, no one knows for sure where the market wants to head. I need bulls to prove that they are strong. I need this level to be broken right up here. I have an alert right here, this alert. I need this alert to be triggered, then I will know. Okay, because market needs time, it's just ranging for now, and as soon as we have a clear picture, we will start looking into alts and see what happens. You see, very close fight, 13.9k BTC long, 13.9k BTC short at this price of 21,650 to 700 range. Okay, 14k. So there's big fight going on between bulls and bear at exact this price where the market is right now. So it gets very tricky to decide who's gonna be the winner. Whoever gets the win is gonna destroy the other side, because the market is gonna move to that direction even further. So we will wait and see how it goes. Let me just see some comments, and who's want to come in. Yeah, I'm 70% up. I think there's a 70% chances we can go up to 22,300 next, and there's 30% chances we can go lower. So alright, I don't see comments. What? Why? Live comments? Oh yeah. Paul is not speaking, but it's not speaking. Checking the XY. Yeah, it looks good. Everything wants to move up. You see, we're having some more strength coming in. I need to get, paid version of this. It's gonna be interesting to see lower time frames like of 1 minute, 5 minutes, how the volume is coming in that. Who's shorting and longing in those low levels. The bulls are coming in ahead of shorts. I mean, longs are increasing, which compared to shorts. We'll see. Let's give it a few minutes, we'll get a better idea. Sen, that website I already shared. It's called cignals.io. Signals, but with C. It's just, just having this website is not enough. There's so much more into it. I'm still learning. I was using this a while ago, last bull run. I mean, started learning it, but then left. It was making things complicated. And now, as I know more about liquidity and all those things, it makes more sense to me. And there's another website, ExoChart. There's another one. So there's few of them. I'm not sure which one I want to go with. But the thing is, with this, they only show you in BTC amount, like 16k BTC. I want to know in dollars, so I want to find what I like more. Right now this is showing you that there's a lot of short open in this area. There's up here more longs, down here more shorts. So 16.5k longs open, shorts 15.6k, and where the price is right now. Let me see how many ticks is that. So it's at 50 ticks right now, so the data is very close to each other. The future one, yes, this is showing Binance futures here, so you can select any chart. Right now it's locked because I can't use any other feature. It's just the free version that I'm looking at. As I said, it's just been 2 days that I'm starting looking at these things and trying to find watch videos and doing other kind of stuff. So it's still in learning phase. The more I learn, the more I'll share with you guys. You just have to do is follow, subscribe. 2 ways of sharing news. Yeah, I'll show you guys one thing. It's so funny. It's just been shared on Discord. Look at this. 2 ways of sharing the news. Same news, just the inflation dropped 6.4%, but higher than expected. US inflation hits 6.4 in January, higher than expected. So there's 2 ways. So it drops or hits, like, but it creates more panic. It depends person to person. So that's why people are panicked right now, because it depends where they're getting their information from, and how they are reading the information really depends. Why people start shorting it? Because they saw this green. That was wrong. I mean, they were right, but they only saw the small picture. They do not see is still better than the previous one, better than December. It's between December and the forecasted. It's not great, but it's not the worst. And we have priced in some of CPI data, and that's why market is moving up. For now, I don't know if as I said before, I need to see the break of 21,900 to be a bit confident. But the close is very good. Market close up here. It broke these lows mentioned earlier. Market broke these lows, took the stop losses. So there were a lot of stop losses here. Anyone that was a lot of people, they play high leverage. They're long and short at the same time, so they have small stop losses right here. All this week took all their stop losses. Simple as that. Took the liquidity, and not just that, those who were looking at this candle and shorting and looking at the data, then shorting it, thinking a 6.4 is higher than forecasted, which is bad, yes, but most of it was priced in, as far as I personally think. And you see, stock market is already heading up. All right, it doesn't give a fuck about anything. 1 second, that's not even open, my bad. So there's there's one that will be opening in 43 minutes. Real stock market is opening. This is Forex chart, which is recovering as well, which took this low as well, and took the highs. So it went, I think, up first, let me see. Yeah, it dropped, then boom, took the people off and then now it's rising again. So it gets very tricky. It's like a gambling, trading the news like this, you know. You never know how people are going to react and what is going to happen. Sometimes data looks, the presentation of the data, it could be just for a short-term move, but if you zoom out, look at data properly, it shows a different picture. So forecasts, so we have two data which were just as forecasted. One data is slightly off, and I don't think that makes huge difference because we are not top of the markets, we are close to the bottoms. So based on that, we look at Bitcoin, what it's doing right now. It is juicy. We have still fight going on, bulls bears, but bears are getting liquidated, and that's causing the market to go up, and bulls are slightly higher opening position. But again, let's see, time will tell. Let's wait for this to break, and I'll be here with you. If it breaks in next half an hour or an hour, I'll be here with you guys, and I will share some coins. I will ask you about some coins, the coins you want to see analysis on. I'll come on those, but I need to see a clear picture of what market wants to do first, because I don't want to just share stuff without anything. Don't tell me it's gonna come down after giving so much hope. AGIX, alright, juicy, looks very nice, huge buying coming up. AI tokens, I don't know why people didn't buy AI tokens. They were shorting these tokens when we know there's so much hype around AI still. I'm not super bull, but I think there's a chance we can see move up here, breaking this highs. There's a low right highs up here. So I think there's a chance we can see move coming in this this area right here. There's no point buying here. The risk and reward is very low. I was buying down here. Yes, I started buying here. I first added here, but I've added bunch more here. So all I need a move up here, then I will get out of this. It's one of my biggest position right now. FTM, there's many coins that look so juicy, so still they are at good prices, except this one. Yeah, many others are still good prices. I think Bitcoin should be just fine. I think, I'm not sure, but I think we just need to give it time. S&P right 500 right now turning green. Let's go, baby. Give me the Lambo. All right, I'm gonna go with Gala and see how this is doing. This recovered fully. I'll go on daily chart, guys, because I need to give you a picture of next a week to few week and see what I expect from the market. All right, I think there's more supply in this up here area, because people that were buying here, they will be the one that desperately want to get out of this, spend a week there. So move up to 0.5 is possible. And when it comes to Gala, there's a lot of volume here, means a lot of exchange happen here. So first 0.049 is the key one. It could just spike slightly here, but yeah, this area 0.5 cent is quite big here. Other than that, we have FET, same thing when it comes to look at this move. There's nothing, this is nothing, this is not, I mean, there's a lot of volume spike, yes, but maybe this is not the top. Look at this, we have long consolidation. We had one move, then big pullback, yes, but I think if you go on lower time frame, it should give you a round move to 50 cents or so, and then pull back, wait here and see, maybe move up. But there will be first move, then there will be pullback, because some people want to get out. And I really like this chart. Why? Because it took the lows, all 1 2 3, these are major daily lows, and this week took all those lows, stop hunted everyone, and now it's rising. Everyone that